Batter.
Go ahead.
Please.
Batter grabber. Okay.
Sweet. So, let's see. 4 ounces of batter.
Total 4 ounces?
Yep.
Is that on the recipe, or do we need to write that in?
We're writing it.
Huh?
You need to write it in.
Okay.
Mix it all up. You see how the crab kind of falls apart? You know what I'm saying? So that's how you kind of spread it out a little bit.
Okay.
Oil. Get it oil like that, and then spread it a little bit. It's like, it doesn't have to be round, you know? Probably like an inch thick. Get all that good. Cheese. Martin Scorsese over here.
The lighting in here is just horrendous.
You're gonna be something, kid.
He's not cool enough to be George Lucas.
George Lucas sucks.
Whatever, dude.
He is so aged.
Is there volume on this recording?
Yeah.
Because that's awesome.
George Lucas used to be great.
You got to train people the right way. Whatever. It's just short to be a smart.
More like Yoda.
Don't get me wrong. I mean, it's fantastic, but the last few movies, like, they were a joke.
He made his empire. Like,
Oh yeah.
he can do whatever the hell he wants now.
Oh, of course. The man's brilliant beyond belief. I mean, the vision of that story is just insane. Then they have in mind a prequel. I mean,
Well, start telling him in the middle.
That's what I mean.
That was like,
that's what I mean. I mean, it's incredible.
I remember being a kid hearing about that it was told from the middle and not really understanding.
Oh, I never even thought about it. I never even heard, in all honesty. So let's talk about what we're looking for here. How would we train our cooks to know when it's done, when to flip it?
It'll start browning on the outside.
Okay.
It'll get crispy. And like and it's going to cook differently here because this grill is really hot than the other one.
And I can turn it down.
By the way, George, I see now why you're doing the cooked shrimp, and it makes sense. You're doing it different than you did it. Last time you put everything together and then you poured the batter over the top. This time you mixed everything in the bowl and then put it on. Mixing it all in the bowl, putting it on makes sense to have the shrimp cooked.
Yeah, it's a lot easier.
Well, yeah.
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 This is
And it looks better like this because I've made a couple of them since then the way you were making them before, and they're just not the shape is very irregular.
Yeah. This way you can mix it all up and you're actually in control of pressing it down.
Right.
You know what I mean? You're not trying to hope.
I mean, if
it
these
works.
things go off the way that we want, that's hot.
See that? That was hot. Don't do that. Training 101. Don't burn yourself.
Stupid chest drink.
So when do you? Okay, so we're
No, I'm gonna
try
flip it
it.
right
Okay.
now. See this? This is good. You want it crust? See how it's kind of crispy?
Uh-huh.
It's not gonna get totally crispy because it's not the kind of batter it is. You know what I mean?
The thing that I loved about it is the softness in the middle.
That's the whole point. So
Yes.
you want this to be crispy, and then it'll be crispy on the bottom, but you want it to be creamy in the middle.
Yes.
That's like the best part.
That's the
about
best
it.
part. That's what I absolutely loved about it.
Yeah.
If this thing goes the way that we hope that it does.
It will, and you guys are really good on like making posters and shit.
Yeah.
Make a poster of this shit and hang it in the window. Well, I don't know if you guys how you're gonna advertise the new place. but-
Actually, what I think
You know
we're
what I
going to do is we're going to put a video stream in the window.
With it waving.
No, instead of doing TV Zen, we'll be promoting different things. You can actually shoot it directly onto your window. Which is
Oh,
going
yeah.
on.
So on the you're gonna want to. You ready?
Keeping our food.
All right, so
system.
we're gonna want to.
Do the 10-ounce plate, the 10-inch plate.
So on the flat top.
Okay, so we are cutting. You were right. Yeah, I said I wasn't sure.
One side at a time, though.
One side at a time, yo.
Yeah, I said though. I didn't say yo.
Dude, I'm ad-libbing.
I'm trying to be.
Okay.
I'm trying to be a mature adult here.
I am ready. I am a director.
I'm trying to learn how to drive Cayennes and have a nice house and shit. Help your boy out. All right. You're supposed to be. You're supposed to be mentoring me. All right.
Okay. I'll do better.
Whoa, I'm gonna tell I'm getting disappointed here. Yeah, don't be fan. This is how they do it in Japan. Just old school, like that. Don't make circles. Just they were trying to be as straightforward as possible.
Amen.
Whoa.
I told you. You gotta get used to that.
Yeah, well, don't do that. That comes out real quick, huh?
Yeah.
At first.
Well, we'll wipe that up.
Yeah. I'll clean
for the
it up
picture.
For the picture, yeah. Pickled ginger.
Sorry, I tried to warn you.
It's all good.
There you go.
I got green onions right here.
Got it.
Yeah. Green onions. Sesame seeds. Bonita. Will you hand me the togarashi, please?
Now, Mason, we can have.
This is Togarashi Ranch, by the way, just so you know.
That's totally awesome. Is it really?
It really is.
Really?
Really.
You want some regular Togarashi?
No, dude. We need Togarashi Ranch from this.
Yeah, it's just some more MSG. Okay, so